Ever wondered how words are broken down and understood by machines? Today, I'm diving into the smallest building blocks of language. In natural language processing, or NLP, understanding how words are formed is crucial. Words are made up of the smallest units of meaning. Let's explore the three main types. And first up, these are the core meanings of words. For example, in rewrite, the root is right. It holds the primary meaning and can sometimes stand alone. Root equals sign base meaning of the word. Next, these are added the root to change its meaning. Think of unhappy. The prefix un changes happy to its opposite. Most prefixes are bound morphemes. They stand alone. And finally, these are added the root. They help change the grammatical form or function of a word, like turning happy into happiness, or right into writing. Suffixes often help with tense, plurality, or word class. So why do morphemes matter in NLP? Understanding them helps with, and it makes tasks like machine translation and sentiment analysis more accurate. Unbelievable. Un plus believe plus able, better semantic understanding. Morphemes may be tiny, but they carry a lot of weight. Keep exploring how language works at its core, and how NLP uses it to understand us better. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more NLP insights.